Okay, we got the gaming rig. Here's the computer. Gonna show you how to install your RAM. You should have it attached to 6-plug surge protector bullshit. First thing you do, if your power supply has a switch, flick that off, and then wiggle that on out. And what this does for the computer is it stabilizes any electricity going through it. I gotta find my screwdriver. That is. It stabilizes any electricity going through it, so it reduces the chance of you breaking something through just static shock. Next, you want to take your siding off. Careful not to strip any screws in your computer, because that means you have to find a way to get those out. Stripped screws are never fun to deal with, no matter what you're doing. One more left. Cool. Ooh, that's gonna fall. Peel that off. And you've got all of your internals. Well, geez, this is super close. These are your RAM sticks right here. Yeah, this is zoomed in a lot more than it typically is. These are your RAM sticks. Typically, I'd pull it out, like I'd put it onto my bed. But I don't want to have to unplug all my shit and plug it back in just to show you how to do it. I'm gonna move it closer though. But there should be little switches above it and below it. Only take one out for now. You're gonna have to take both out if it works. But certain motherboards only work with certain RAM types. You just flick those switches up, gently remove it, boom, you've taken it out. And then to get it in, I'm gonna actually have to turn on my flashlight for this. Ooh, computer internals, ooh. But yeah, you see those switches, flick those up to pull it out. We've got a RAM stick. Do not do what I did at first and just try and shove that bitch in there. Try and align it, because there's a minor separator in the center. And do be careful, because you can break your RAM very easily. You want to align it at the top and at the bottom. Hold on, I'm going to set this down so I don't break my fucking RAM stick. This costs a lot more than what I threw at you. You need to make sure okay, yeah, they're facing the same way. Listen for that click, and that's how you know they're in. Boom, you've got your RAM installed. Just plug your shit back in, turn it on, put the face back on, and then do that again to install the other one. Congratulations, you've installed RAM sticks.